Each summer morning in America's farming regions, endless rows of green vines spread across the fields heavy with cucumbers. Timing is everything. Cucumbers grow so quickly that if left just a few days too long, they can become oversized, lose their crisp texture, and miss their chance for market or pickling. Farmers and workers move through the fields almost daily, carefully inspecting the vines. Hand harvesting is still the most common method, especially for fresh cucumbers destined for supermarkets. With small knives or clippers, workers cut each fruit from the vine and place it gently into baskets or bins. This close attention ensures that only firm, unblemished cucumbers are chosen. On larger farms, mechanical harvesters come into play. These specialized machines gently shake or sweep the vines, collecting cucumbers in bulk. Though less precise than hand picking, they are crucial for keeping up with massive demand, especially for the smaller pickling varieties. Once gathered cucumbers are quickly loaded into crates and moved to waiting trucks. Speed is vital. The sooner they leave the field, the fresher they'll be when they reach the next stage. Every harvest day feels like a race against time, but also a celebration. It's the moment when months of care from seed to vine finally bear fruit, quite literally. Once harvested, cucumbers begin their second journey inside the factory. The goal here is to transform fresh produce into safe, delicious, and long-lasting products. The first stop is the washing line. Conveyor belts carry cucumbers through streams of clean water and soft brushes that remove dirt, soil, and field debris. Workers monitor every step to ensure only clean, healthy cucumbers continue forward. Next comes sorting. Automated systems and human eyes work together to classify cucumbers by size, shape, and quality. Smooth, straight cucumbers are packed fresh for supermarkets, while smaller, firmer varieties are set aside for pickling. Imperfect ones aren't wasted. They're directed to be chopped, sliced, or processed into relishes and sauces. For fresh cucumbers, the journey continues to packing stations. Here, machines or workers carefully place them into cartons, trays, or plastic-wrapped bundles. Cold storage rooms keep them at the right temperature until trucks carry them across the country. For pickling cucumbers, things take a more flavorful turn. These little cucumbers are placed into massive stainless steel tanks, sometimes holding millions at once. Brine solutions, carefully balanced mixtures of water, salt, and vinegar are added, and the cucumbers rest there for days or even weeks. Over time, they soak up flavor and transform into the crunchy pickles people love. At specialized factories, cucumbers may also pass through slicing machines, turning them into thin rounds for sandwich pickles. or long spears for jars. Pitting and stuffing machines can even add fillings like garlic peppers or spices for unique flavors. Packaging is the final stage. Sealed jars or cans are filled with brine and sterilized to lock in freshness. Every label carries details of origin, batch, and date. Pallets of jars then head to warehouses, supermarkets, and restaurants, ready to add tang and crunch to meals across the world. Before cucumbers can fill baskets in the field or jars in the factory, their journey begins in the nursery. Everything starts with a tiny seed carefully selected for its variety, disease resistance, and productivity. Farmers or greenhouse technicians test each seed batch for purity and germination rate. Only the strongest seeds move on. These seeds are then sown in trays filled with soft, nutrient-rich soil or special peat-based growing mediums. Moisture is carefully controlled, never too much to cause rot, never too little to stunt growth. Within just a few days, green sprouts emerge, standing like miniature soldiers ready for duty. In nurseries equipped with modern technology, climate control systems, regulate temperature, humidity, and even light exposure. LED lamps may supplement natural sunlight on cloudy days, giving the seedlings exactly what they need to grow strong and uniform. After 3 to 4 weeks, the seedlings are ready for transplanting. Their roots are well developed, their stems sturdy, and their leaves broad enough to catch sunlight. At this stage, they're carefully packed in trays and transported to the fields or greenhouses where the next chapter of their life begins. Once the seedlings leave the nursery, they're carefully transplanted into open fields or greenhouse beds. Timing is everything. Farmers wait until the soil warms to around 65 degrees because cucumbers thrive in warmth and dislike cold soil. The ground is prepared in advance, tilled to loosen the earth enriched with compost or organic fertilizers, and shaped into raised beds that allow water to drain easily. In large farms, tractors equipped with precision planters place each seedling at an exact depth and spacing, usually 12 to 18 inches apart, with rows about 4 to 6 feet wide. This spacing ensures every plant gets sunlight, airflow, and room to stretch. In greenhouse systems, cucumbers are often grown vertically. Farmers set up trellises, wires, or nets guiding the vines upward like a living green wall. This method not only saves space, but also keeps the cucumbers off the ground, reducing disease risk and producing straighter fruit. Pollination is a vital step in this stage. Outdoors, bees and other insects naturally transfer pollen between flowers, ensuring the vines produce cucumbers. Inside greenhouses, farmers sometimes introduce bumblebee hives or even use hand pollination techniques to guarantee success. Without pollination, the flowers would fade without fruit. Irrigation is carefully managed. Many farms now use drip systems delivering water directly to the roots, drop by drop, reducing waste and preventing excess moisture on the leaves. Nutrients can even be added to the water, an approach called fertigation, ensuring each plant gets exactly what it needs to grow. As weeks pass, the fields transform into a sea of green vines covered with yellow blossoms. Each flower soon develops into a cucumber, starting small and thin, then swelling rapidly in just a matter of days. Farmers monitor closely because in the world of cucumbers, timing determines everything from size and shape to flavor and texture. Once cucumbers are established in the field, they require constant attention. Farmers know that cucumbers are fast growers, but they're also sensitive plants that demand balanced care. Nutrient feeding is just as important. Cucumbers are heavy feeders requiring nitrogen for lush leaves, phosphorus for strong roots, and potassium to support fruit development. Farmers often add compost or organic matter to enrich the soil. Aphids, whiteflies, and cucumber beetles are common threats. Instead of spraying broad chemicals, many farms now embrace integrated pest management (IPM). This involves releasing beneficial insects like ladybugs to eat aphids. Crop rotation and careful field hygiene also reduce the risk of soil-borne diseases. Pruning and training help vines grow more efficiently. Farmers gently remove excess side shoots and guide the main stems along trellises. This improves airflow, reduces shading, and ensures the plants channel energy into producing high-quality cucumbers rather than excessive leaves. Finally, field monitoring ties everything together. Using drones, soil sensors, and satellite data, farmers can track moisture, plant health, and nutrient levels in real time. This high-tech approach allows them to adjust irrigation, fertilizer, and pest control instantly, ensuring cucumbers grow to their full crunchy potential. Cucumbers are more than just a refreshing crunch. With about 95% water, they keep the body hydrated while delivering vitamins C and K, potassium, and fiber. These nutrients support strong bones, healthy blood pressure, and smooth digestion. Antioxidants in cucumbers also help fight inflammation and protect cells, making them a quiet ally for long-term health. Pickled cucumbers bring extra benefits. Fermentation adds probiotics that improve gut health and boost immunity. Whether sliced fresh in a salad or enjoyed as a tangy pickle, cucumbers remain a versatile ingredient in kitchens worldwide. Beyond nutrition, cucumbers are valued in skincare, soothing the skin and reducing puffiness. Their impact stretches far beyond the dinner table, touching health, beauty, and culture. But perhaps the most remarkable part of the cucumber story is the care behind it. Farmers harvesting by hand or machine factories processing with precision nurseries, raising seedlings in fields carefully managed season after season. Every cucumber carries the mark of human dedication and the balance between tradition and technology. So next time you enjoy one, remember, it's not just a vegetable, but the result of months of effort and nature's gift of freshness.